My name is Kevin Nguyen. I'm a multi-award-winning barber, educator, business owner, and a family man. Thanks to hard work and dedication, I get to travel the world and share my passion. I work for the #1 leading clipper company in the world. I get to travel all around the world and spread education. Follow me on my journey and see my progress. I am Yakuza Barber. What up, y'all? So today we're giving my mans a makeover. We're gonna trim the top with an 8 guard, debulk the sides, do some beard work, and also a skin taper. As you see, I'm cutting with the grain first and then against the grain. When I cut with the grain, it's less resistance on cutting the hair. Now I'm going to shorten out the sides with the 3 guard. Clipper of a comb with a 3 guard, that way you don't cut off too much weight. I'm going to leave the arches on the sideburns by curving the trimmer blade tilted a little forward, so that way that area is darker when I taper out. Using my clipper lever close, I will elevate the line just a tad bit. Opening lever halfway, then all the way. Keep in mind that you're only raising each line just a tad bit. Attaching my #1 guard lever close to elevate the previous line. Lever open now. Attaching my 1.5 guard, opening the lever, then closing the lever to finish out the taper. Detailing with a clipper blade, adjusting the lever back and forth to make the blend more seamless. Now using my trimmers to sketch out the arches. Using a #3 guard, I will apply the clipper onto the beard going with the grain to cut off weight but not too much. Using the same method blending upwards, I will now blend downwards to blend into the beard. Using the trimmers to line up around the ear. Now lining up the back of the beard. Using the trimmers to line up the bottom of the neck area. Remember to not apply too much pressure on this bottom area because the neck is a sensitive area. Now using the straight razor to razor the top beard area. Remember when using the razor, you want to stretch out the skin in the opposite direction as the blade is cutting. Let's start working on the back. As you can see, the back nape area has a lot of different hair going to different direction. To make it more of a solid cut, you want to cut against those directions. Using my trimmer to mark the first guideline. Using my cordless detailers to get rid of the remaining hair. Opening the lever all the way now, raising up the guideline by 1/2 inch. Closing the lever to get rid of bottom guideline. Try not to bring up that line too high. Open the lever halfway to get rid of all the remaining lines below the top line. Number 1 guard close to get rid of that dark shade. Open the lever and elevate guideline. Now using the half guard for detailing. Now I will be repeating the same step to finish off the opposite side. Just kidding. Now lining up the back neck area with a cordless detailer LI. I will comb down the front hair so it makes it easier for me to line up. Here is the final look of this haircut. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and can't wait to show you guys the next video.